How to download Adobe Premiere Pro free trial on Mac or PC. To get started, head down and click on the link below this video. This is going to take you across to the official Adobe page. Then we're going to head up to the top left hand side, click on Creativity and Design, and under Featured Products, we're going to select Premiere Pro. This will take us to the official Premiere Pro homepage where you can check out all the amazing features that you get inside of Premiere Pro. You get to craft your perfect story. You can balance your color and set the tones in your videos. You can mix audio for a memorable soundtrack. You can add eye-catching effects. You can also create animated titles. And if you want to explore any of these features even more, you can head to the bottom here and dive even further into all the amazing features that you get access to, especially all the great new AI features like generative extend and describe it and find it. You can also work a whole lot faster with the great new text-based editing feature. And you can view all of the features down here. Once you're ready to download Premiere Pro on your Mac or your PC, head to the bottom and click on that free trial button. Then we're going to choose between the Premiere Pro only plan and the Creative Cloud Pro plan. Now the Pro plan gives you access to 20 plus apps from Adobe, including Photoshop, Illustrator, and After Effects, which can add a whole lot to your workflow. You also get 4,000 monthly generative credits for that AI video and the text to video features I mentioned earlier. So we're going to go with the Creative Cloud Pro option. Then we're going to choose a subscription. Now there's monthly, there's annual paid monthly, and annual prepaid. If you're a high roller, you can go with the annual prepaid. Otherwise, you're going to choose between the annual billed monthly or the monthly only option. Now you see monthly only option is more expensive, but you can cancel at any time with no fee. If you go for the cheaper option, the annual billed monthly, and now these prices might be a bit different to what you're seeing on screen, depending on when you are watching this video. If you go with that annual billed monthly option, if you cancel early, then fees do apply. So please take that into account. We're going to choose the monthly only option and then click at the bottom, add the 7-day free trial of Adobe Stock, because this gives you 10 standard assets free. And if you don't want to continue with it, you can just cancel it before the trial ends. Then click on the blue continue button. Now we're going to enter our email address and then double check what we have selected is actually here in the cart, and then check that the due now is in fact 0. So you're getting access to that 7-day free trial. The next thing I want you to check is when that 7-day free trial ends and how much you'll be charged if you decide to continue after the 7-day free trial. Once you have checked everything and you're happy, we're then going to enter our payment information so we can start the free trial. If you just want the free trial to try out Premiere Pro, you still need to enter this payment information. Then once you have completed that, the Creative Cloud app will start downloading on your Mac or your PC. And then inside of the Creative Cloud app, once you open it up, you can then download Premiere Pro on your computer. If you have any questions or queries about downloading Adobe Premiere Pro on your Mac or your PC, let us know in the comment section down below and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope you enjoy Premiere Pro as much as we do.